Hi everyone. Welcome to Slow English Studio.
Hi everyone, I'm Lena. Welcome back to our English lesson. Today, we're going to talk about food. One of the most delicious and interesting topics in English. You'll learn how to describe flavors, textures, and how to talk about healthy food habits in a natural way. And you know what? Today, you're going to meet Alex, a friend of ours who's going to tell us about his day full of good food and healthy habits. So, let's listen to Alex's story together.
Hello, my friends. I'm Alex, and this is how I start my day. First thing, in the morning, I drink a glass of warm water with lemon. It wakes me up and helps me prepare my stomach for breakfast. Warm water feels good, soft, gentle, and clean. About 40 minutes later, I eat breakfast. Today I had oatmeal with banana and honey. It was sweet, soft, and a little creamy. I love this breakfast because it's nourishing. It gives my body energy and keeps me full for a long time.
Did you hear that word? Nourishing? Nourishing means something that feeds your body well and makes you healthy. For example, soup is nourishing. Fresh vegetables are nourishing. Even a simple bowl of oatmeal can be nourishing too. Coffee time.
After breakfast, I made myself a cup of coffee. I drink my coffee black, with no milk or sugar. It's bitter, but that's what I love about it. It wakes me up. The smell fills the kitchen. It's deep and rich. That first sip always feels like the start of a new day.
When something is bitter, it's not sweet. Like black coffee or dark chocolate. Some people don't like bitter flavors, but for others, it feels strong and full of character. Lunch.
Around 1 o'clock, I went out for lunch near my office. There's a small restaurant. I love quiet, friendly, and full of good smells. I ordered grilled chicken with vegetables. The chicken was tender, soft, and juicy. Everything tasted savory and perfectly balanced. I really enjoyed it.
The word crunchy is fun. It even sounds crunchy. When something is crunchy, it makes a crunch sound when you bite it. Chips are crunchy. Apples are crunchy. And when something is tender, it's soft and easy to chew, like perfectly cooked mashed potatoes or ripe mangoes. Lunch with a friend.
I didn't eat alone today. I had lunch with my colleague Emma. She ordered pasta with tomato sauce. She prefers soft food and doesn't like spicy flavors. She told me, pasta is comforting. It makes me feel happy, and I understand that. Sometimes the best food is the one that makes you feel calm and warm inside.
That word, comforting, means food that makes you feel good emotionally, like soup on a cold day or hot chocolate in winter. Comforting food gives you warmth, safety, and peace. Healthy habit.
Before every meal, about 40 minutes before eating, I drink another glass of water. It helps me hydrate and keeps my digestion healthy. When you stay hydrated, your skin looks better, you feel better, and your body works better too. So don't forget to drink your water during the day. It's a simple habit, but an important one.
This is a good one. Hydrate. Hydrate means giving your body enough water to stay strong and fresh. Alex reminds us, even small habits can make a big difference in how we feel. After work.
After work, I went to the gym. I don't go every day, but I try a few times a week. It helps me stay strong and clear my mind. After the gym, I made dinner at home. Rice with vegetables and eggs. It was warm, filling, and nourishing again. The rice was fluffy, the eggs were soft, and the vegetables were still a little crunchy. I felt great. Food after a workout is important. It gives your body energy to recover and grow stronger.
All right. How do you like the word filling? Filling means the food makes you feel full and satisfied. Bread is filling. Pasta is filling. Eggs are filling. So Alex's meal was perfect. Warm, nourishing, and filling after the gym. Evening reflection.
At the end of the day, I felt good. I worked hard, exercised, and ate healthy food that made me feel balanced. Food isn't just about taste. It's about energy, comfort, and emotion. Every meal tells a small story. What we like, how we take care of ourselves, and how we connect to others.
I love how Alex describes his day. Simple but full of awareness and balance. What about you? What did you eat today? Was it sweet, salty, crunchy, or creamy? Every time you describe something in English, you grow more fluent and more confident. So, today we learned words like nourishing, bitter, tender, crunchy, comforting, and filling. We also learned how to use them naturally, inside a real story. Your challenge today. In the comments, describe one of your meals using today's new words. Well done! This is it for today's lesson. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are learning English too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.